Habang ako yung si Jake. Kaya, ito pa ako natuloy. Hindi ko, baka kasi dalawa na kaibigan ko, ito sa kasitang. Sabi ko, baka na ako mali. Kaya I gave her a chance. 5 minutes yan na, wrong. I was right. Instant regret. Ay, ako. Sabi mo kay Jigs, the only way I can describe her is, she's not a good girl.
No. Well, the thing that you have to think also, are you?
I never claimed to be.
Did she claim to be?
She acts as if she is. Tapos gagamitan ka pa ng term abuse. Trying to make it seem, in her narrative is my constant correction. You know me, right?
Sorry. I'm with her on this. This is on video. Sorry.
Yeah, you're right. No, you're right. No, no.
This goes against you.
Yeah, it's something short of abuse is what he's trying to say.
I wouldn't say short though.
Salamat for your
So
confidence.
that means she is nice.
Could be, right? From my twisted point of view.
No, kasi I've been spoiled though with Red.
You've been what?
I was spoiled with Red.
Oh.
He's just too nice.
Oh, really? Oh.
He's the kind that if I punch him on the face, he'd say sorry.
Okay, parang agent ka siya, no?
Yeah. It's just too nice.
Okay. See, I have my kit. I have signed here arrows. I have stapler.
You have a correction date?
We do not need mistakes. We these the things today. Andyan lang yung printer. Kaya pwede. See? We have established our mobile office.
You have a puncher? Because there are small punchers.
Yeah, I know.
May hardship one.
I did not see those. Which is a good thing. I never bought them. Pero, no, I used to have one.
You probably saw that for you.
Yeah, my OCD is knows no bounds.
You know
Are you
the
eating?
grab driver drove in yesterday?
Look at this. This one?
Yeah. Last time I was here was when it was cash and carry.
Yeah, yung PX nandyan, ano? That race area.
Yeah, where we used to buy cigarettes.
Yeah. Tapos, katulad ko yung order yung ito ko. Ano pa rin siya?